Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log your sent emails in HubSpot CRM so all your communication stays organized and easy to track. To begin, log into your HubSpot account and click on the gear icon to open your settings. From there, go to the General tab and look for the Email option. Click on it to view your connected email accounts. If your email is currently disabled, you can reconnect it here. You can also enable inbox automation to make email tracking even easier. Once your email is connected through Gmail or Outlook, you can simply compose an email from your email client. Then go back to HubSpot, open your contact section, and select the contact you want to email. Click on their email address and send your message. HubSpot will automatically log that email in the CRM, and you can enable tracking to monitor opens and clicks. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.